So here's the jewelry jar from Savers. It cost $9.99, but because I had 20% off, I only paid $7.99 for it. And here you can take a quick look. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, that's everything. So yeah, let me sort through it, and then we'll go over each piece. Okay, sorted everything out of the jar. I see a bunch of bracelets all gathered in a grouping. Okay, this is a set coral with gold tone copper bracelets, bangles, Yeah, it was on a whim. I mean, I was at Savers right before the new year, and I was buying some other things, and then I saw some jewelry jars, which I normally don't purchase there, so I picked these up, and I mean, I did see what was in them, and I kind of figured, why not, just to see if there is any possibility of anything else besides, oh, this is court, besides what I can see, obviously, which is lots of bangles and plastic bracelets, more. Okay, this is like a copper tone bracelet with a hair elastic tie going through it. This is pretty. I doubt if it's lucite, but there's a huge crack in it. Yeah, this is all going in a craft lot. I mean, yeah, I didn't have any high expectations. Necklaces. Really petite, tiny little necklaces. Yeah. Little black necklace. Okay. Oh, this is a multi-chain necklace. Oh, I can see it's already broken. It's broken. No marks. Not surprised. Let's see what we got. Okay. Some more. Okay, this is just a chain. I guess, you know, I can keep the chains for pendants that I have in other lots that need a chain. So, silver tone chain. It's kind of short. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so like I said, I don't normally buy the jars, but since I rarely see them, and I saw a whole bunch at Savers, I bought two. And they were each $7.99 because of the discount. So if it was any more, I don't think I would have bought one. Okay. Oh, okay, this is cute with the blue rhinestones, but it's broken. It's broken. So it's gonna go into a craft lot. I mean, I think everything will go into a craft lot. Here's another necklace, and there's little pendants hanging from it, a heart, an open double heart, and a little thing that says love. Okay, here's another silver tone chain that I can use. So I will repurpose these two. So that's a win. Some sort of a open bangle, faux pearl, missing pearls. It says, do it now. It says Mary Kay on the inside. This will go into a craft lot. Okay, this is a chain, silver tone chain, a locket. Keep calm and believe. Justin Bieber is my boyfriend. Okay. Craft lot. All right. I don't know what this is. Butterfly. Pretty enamel butterfly. Is it a bookmark? I don't know. If you do know, can you leave a comment below and let me know what it is? Because I've never seen something like this. There's no mark or anything either. Okay. Oh. Gold tone necklace. You know, maybe I'll just reuse the chains. Oh, this is a faux leather. Wow, who would it fit? Look how tiny this is. It's a choker, but someone can definitely reuse this. Pretty. Looks like the bowl that they drop on New Year's Eve in Times Square. Also fabric cord with these metal panels and some metal cylinders. This craft lot, of course, someone can repurpose them. And oh, okay, another cord, fabric. This is fabric. Oh, a single earring. A single brushed gold hoop earring that has a green cabochon, plastic. Craft. Triple hearts. So yeah, SAVERS sold this for $1.99. It's silver tone with all these gold silver tone beads on the bottom, half of it. And now to the plastic. Wow, this is a pretty color. It reminds me of amethyst, right? It actually has a hang tag that says Robert Rose, made in China. Pretty, right? Someone will make something out of this, or they'll wear it as is. Okay, magenta, fuchsia, or hot pink. I always get those colors mixed up. But this is a plastic miniature gumballs. Why does it have a clasp? I mean, this is easily placed over your head. Plastic. Next is these white beads with gold spacers. Also plastic. Yay! Look at all these colors. They're so... Okay, this one's minty, frosty. Reminds me of pistachio ice cream. Graduated beads. Very, very springy, spring-like. Okay. What's this? Oh, wow. Oh, my. Okay. You all see this? This is quite a necklace. It has a barrel clasp, wooden beads in black and natural. I don't know. It looks like that old candy. Anyway, then there's these shells. On the bottom, and then larger black and natural color wood disc. Doesn't look like it's been worn, but I know somebody can make something else out of it. Okay, down the home stretch. Now we got these beads. They kind of look like nuts, right? Plastic. No, they look like caramel. Yeah. Plastic beads. Very long. And then, oh, this is some sort of seed or nut. Seed or a nut. And there's some seed beads, blue and pink, that they put on the end tassel. It's a double strand, and then you have that tassel at the end. That's interesting. Very tribal, or very something you wear when you go to the islands in the Caribbean, right? Okay. Okay. Chunky black and gray with the hint of silver necklace. Oh, wow. It's long. And then we have this very long necklace with the silver tone little circles. Triple chains on the bottom. Well, that could be the top. No, that's the bottom. Okay. So that's that of the necklaces. And then there's a bunch of things that they had already. This is what they normally have on their wall. That's it. You have a pair of earrings, pair of earrings. They're brand new. I don't remember what campaign this was with the red dress. I don't know. Was it Macy's? Wish. It's pretty. These are, I think they're tie clips. Oh, what do you think? You think they're tie clips? Oh, they're made by the same company that makes the cufflinks, that Swank. Okay, these I can actually put into my Etsy shop, since I sell the vintage stuff on there. So that's good. And then here, oh, it's a very pretty pendant, cross pendant with the rhinestones that have the AB coating on them. So they have a really nice shine. And lastly, a keychain from St. Thomas. It's a flip-flop with a flower. That's sweet. So that's it, folks. That was my jewelry jar number 1 out of 2 from SAVERS. Thanks for watching. If you like, hit the subscribe button if you like the video. And I'll be back with the second one soon. Thank you.